The production of large, multidimensional, and complex lighting assemblies that combine beauty, style, and functionality becomes more and more demanding. Emerson's portfolio of Branson plastic joining solutions meet these requirements for today's dynamic automotive marketplace. With our unrivaled engineering experience and expertise, complete equipment portfolio, and superior global support, we help you continually challenge the limits of your creativity and develop extraordinary new lamp designs. Clean welding creates particulate-free, high-strength bonding on aesthetically complex assemblies. This enables design flexibility and electronic complexity to be combined in a great design. Branson laser welding is especially useful for fast and accurate assembly of the new sophisticated designs of today's lamp assemblies. Branson Clean Vibration technology offers manufacturers significant advantages in demanding automotive lighting applications, ranging from small to very large parts. Branson GPX pulse staking technology allows for the joining of components to molded plastic structures without damaging sensitive parts. Emerson plastic welding technologies help you combine beauty, style, and functionality to create today's sophisticated lighting components with unrivaled efficiency and quality. Trust Branson Technologies from Emerson to support your automotive lighting project from beginning to end.